So here we are at Mount Loretta for the Food Truck Festival. About to try some of our first items we ordered today. So one of the places we ordered from for the mac and cheese, we ordered mac and cheese and bacon over from the New York City mac and cheese truck. And then we ordered some egg rolls, specialty egg rolls from Rescue Egg Rolls. It's another food truck. A very unique selection of flavors and tastes right here. For the egg rolls, we'll try first. We got a mac and cheese egg roll. We have a Reuben egg roll. And we have a dessert egg roll called a s'mores egg roll. Look at that nice chocolate and marshmallow with graham cracker in there. And then we got this beautiful, I bet you are. We got this beautiful melted cheese on this mac with some crispy bacon. Can't wait to dig into these. Which you want to try first?
Mac and cheese.
You want to try the mac and cheese egg roll? Go ahead. Look at that nice gooey cheese in there.
Very crunchy with the outside shell. Very creamy with the mac and cheese.
Very good together. Nice and warm and cheesy. As you expect from mac and cheese. And you get that nice crunch from that egg roll. Really, really nice. Save some room for the rest. Let's try the Reuben one. So we got the Reuben right there. You see the sauerkraut, you see the meat inside, you see the nice crispy crust of that egg roll. Try a bite of that. How's that taste? Good? Now my turn. Good meat. Get that nice sourness from the sauerkraut. They give us Russian dressing on the side, but I wanted to try it regular first. Pretty good. And I know you want to try that small one.
And this one tastes really flavorful.
It has a good flavor. Look at that nice mushroom, nice marshmallow and chocolate in there. Give it to you. Like she said, really beautiful melted chocolate in there with that nice crisp with the egg roll, a little extra crisp with the graham cracker, and then you got that beautiful melted chocolate, as you can see everywhere.
We're gonna have to get out the napkins.
All right, now we're gonna try the mac and cheese with bacon.
Yum yum. I'm gonna try first. Oh my gosh.
Bacon up in there. Get a nice help with each. Nice bite right there. You see the nice crispy bacon, the beautiful melted cheese. I love how bacon goes so well with the creaminess of the cheese. You get like the creaminess, the saltiness. And then the salt and tenderness of the macaroni, really, really good together right there. Great combination. Got our next two dishes out here at Mount Loretta's Food Truck Festival. We got a nice stuffed pretzel over here from Twisted Steaks. It's a Philly cheesesteak baked inside the pretzel. Very, very nice. Then we also got a lobster roll called the Connecticut roll from the Main Lobster. And that's what their food truck's called. Which do you want to try first? Let me guess, the seafood. All right, go ahead. Don't drop any lobster now. Ah, you went in for a big bite. I can see you really love that lobster there. Yeah. Nice bit of lobster inside that nice fresh roll. Nice crispness from the roll. Lobster beautiful, soft and chewy. And they do a nice little butter sauce on it. Really nice. It soaks right into that bread. Ready for this pretzel?
That's huge.
This is a stuffed pretzel, stuffed with that Philly steak and cheese. Try some of that.
Almost tastes like the real stuff.
Yeah? See the different cheeses baked into the pretzel with some mozzarella on top. Cheesesteak was very juicy. Pretzel was a nice different texture rather than a normal like oatmeal roll. Pretty good there too. And then last but not least, I got a couple of adult beverages from the flagship brewing company out here. And I got their Voodoo IPA and I got their Kill Van Kolsk. They taste like almost like, well, everybody knows what IPAs taste like. They taste citrusy and carbonated. Not bad if you like citrusy on a nice hot summer day.
Don't mind me.
You gonna save any for me? So we got our next two dishes out here at Mount Loretta's Food Truck Festival. We got from Martina's Kitchen. We got their deluxe sandwich, which is a grilled cheese with different cheeses, and we added bacon to it. Ready? Look at that. Nice and cheesy with the bacon inside.
And we both got a snack.
Toast. Nice crispy toast. Nice salty, juicy bacon. And really good different textures and tastes of cheese. Good. Very good.
The cheese was melting. The bacon was fatty.
Cheese is melty, bacon's fatty. And then we also stopped at, to get a dessert, we stopped at a truck called the Sweet Spot.
And this is the ultimate dessert you could ever
This is their brownie a la mode. You can see how beautiful that looks. We got the brownie on top with the whipped cream. We got some nice Hershey chocolate right there with some nice little chocolate chips on the side. Ready to try some?
It's thick with cream.
Nice and sweet. That's some good milkshake. And we'll take some nice warm brownie. Nice and short. Has a good amount of chocolate in there. Really good. How do you like it? You want to try a little Hershey piece looking thing? Don't get it all over yourself. And here we have the nice grilled cheese called the Deluxe from Martina's Kitchen. Very nice and cheesy with a lot of bacon on there. Nice crispy bread. Really good with that bacon, salt, and that creaminess of the cheese. Really good. So thank you all for coming out and joining this adventure with us today at Mount Loretta Retreat to have the Food Truck Festival out here. Really beautiful. The weather held up so we didn't get rained on. So that was really good. How'd you like it today, Sophie?
Great!
And what do you want to tell your fans?